don't want to bug my friends and family about Live Good, Katina. All right, so today's video is really special because it's by request. All right, a lot of people say to me, I don't want to talk to friends or family about Live Good, so I'm going to show you how you can make money at Live Good using AI tools. All right, and AI is artificial intelligence. It's the hottest, latest, greatest craze. Okay, some people are afraid of AI, but not us, right? Not us. We are going to use AI to our advantage to get more. And I'm never afraid of a robot taking over my job because somebody has to control that robot. All right. Today, I'm going to show you how to control AI. All right. So let's get right to it. So our first step, as I always tell anyone new to Live Good, your first step is to get familiar with all of the tools on the left. All right, all of these menu bars here, you want to click on them all, get familiar, know what to do. Today's tool or menu we're going to look at is My Websites. All right, so click My Websites. All right, next you're going to scroll down. We are looking for the Powerline landing page. This is the important one because this is how people join your team. It says this site is where you send people who you are telling about the Powerline business opportunity. All right, from this page, they can see the 5-minute video presentation, all right, where they can pre-enroll into our system. That's the beauty about Live Good for me. You're not selling anything. This video, this Powerline page sells for you. Your job is to get people to the page. All right. That's where AI comes in. So first step, copy this link, click on it, select it, press Control-C to copy it. Let's go to Notebook, Word, wherever you need to go. And we're just going to click Control-V to paste it, right? Paste, right? Keep that handy. Keep it to the side. Now, I've already showed you other videos in the past about how to create your funnel, your landing page, right? Because when you are getting traffic from a third-party source, according to Live Good's policy, you must send it to a landing page, and that's where the $25 business comes in. All right. So all of those links are below. And again, I've told you about it before in the past, so you've probably seen it before, but all right, once you come in here, there are so many templates and funnels that you can choose. You can customize these to make it look like your own website. And again, it's only $25. They do have an upgraded version too, which has additional AI tools and comes with training. Now, that one is $125. And, again, this system in my eyes is well worth it because I've tried ClickFunnels, I've tried Kajabi, Kartra, and all of those tools are easily $199 to $299. So this one is a steal and it's so easy to use. And let me show you how. All right. So once let's just click on a different page. So we're going to go here and we're going to click funnels. Right? So we're going to click add a new step. We're going to click page. This is where you see all of the different funnels. Say if you had a video, you could just put a video in here, right? Say this is kind of cool. If you have some kind of ebook to give viewers, I'm trying to get something really clean and really easy to edit. So give me one moment. Please, just a moment. Let's do this. Say you've got a big brand on social media. All right. And I'm going to call it Katina the Broker. Say you got a big brand on social media and you just want to put your picture here, or maybe you want to put picture of the Live Good products. You simply, once you're in here, you want to just double click that to edit. But let me show you right now about the AI tools. So the title is Learn How to Be More Successful. All right, we're going to just double click that. You'll notice right away this button pops up and boom, right here, AI. AI. So we're going to just click that and click AI. So once you click AI, do you want to improve this? Do you want to shorten this? What do you want to do? So I'm going to just click improve. Master success. Learn how. Me, I personally like short and sweet, straight to the point titles. So this works for me. All right. What else? Let's see, can we edit this? Welcome to my online course. Let's say improve that. Join my online course. Tell me this, isn't join my online course now a lot more powerful than welcome to my online course? That's the beauty about AI, all right? And watch this video, y'all. Stick with me. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. Watch this video until the end because it's a 3-step process. So this is a step-by-step guide. I'm going to show you every step. I'm going to keep it short, but I'm going to show you every step that you must take in order to make money at LiveGood using AI. And also, you know what? Before we continue, I'm Katina the Broker. If this is your first time here, be sure to give me a thumbs up because that really helps me to continue bringing you the free tips, tricks, and all of this content right here on YouTube for free. All right, so go ahead, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. All right, I got some heat coming, some really good stuff coming in the future. All right, so, but by now you probably get and understand where I'm coming from. You simply double click on a title and you click improve or you click shorten or, you know, just something so that you can get a more powerful message out. Okay. And, you know, if you want to change your colors, you can do all of that. Everything in here is just a double click and it only takes you 5 minutes. All right. And again, I'm going to link at the end of this video some tutorials that I've already created on how to customize these $25 funnels. All right. So let's go to the next step. Now, the next step, you want to click below. You got to click on this video or this page right here, and you want to join my lead gen secret. All right. Let me show you how AI is going to send you 200 leads a day to your LiveGood page, y'all. This really works. I use it. Okay. So, and again, LiveGood has that policy. So you must get the landing page, right? If you want to get more business and really grow your team. Okay, so let's just click create message. Create message. By the way, while I'm doing this, please post your questions or your comments in the comment section below. I always respond to each and every one. All right, so as you can see right here, I've been in this system for quite a while, so I got about 41,000 people I can email, but they only allow you to do 9,000 a day. So I'm going to click that. Now, I got some saved emails in here. These are all AI generated emails, y'all. These are AI generated emails. So since this is being recorded on the weekend, I'm going to say, let's go with 6:30 this weekend. And then I'm going to click load. So these are pre-written emails. Okay. You can the information is already in here once you click on load, but basically, you know, this right here, the symbol, this is going to add the person's name. All right. And basically it's done for you. It says, want to make an extra 6:30 this weekend. We won't actually make it, but we will generate it. That's for sure. All right. The thing about the AI generated emails, you want to grab attention and again, get people to your landing page. And you know, where it says click here, that's where you go back to your notebook and you pick up that link again. So Control C, make sure you got it. And then you click right here. All right. If you look right here, this is how you add and insert a link. So I'm just going to click that. Control V. This is my LiveGood landing page. It says livegoodtour.com/Katina the Broker. Click OK. I'm going to go here again. And I'm going to click that link and Control V. Boom. thank us later, and just say management, right? And then you also want to click this button, perfect timing, and you want to click preview. When you click preview, you actually can click to make sure your links work. And boom, my link is not even working. What is going on here? All right, let me go back and double check and see what went wrong. All right, Control V, okay. See, that's why you gotta double check. So let's go preview, click here, boom, there we go. So, oh, you know what? That's why, because I'm supposed to send it to my landing page, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, when you send this is where the AI comes in. That actually what I just showed you is what you are not supposed to do. That is where it's an issue with LiveGood. So you cannot send these this group of messages that I'm about to email. You cannot send it directly to your LiveGood page. You have to send it to your landing page first. So my landing page is already created, and my apologies too for the mistake, because I know nobody's got time for that if I'm trying to give you a step-by-step guide, right? So hold on one second. I gotta find my landing page is the problem. So you want to click here on your, I'm Control C right there. All right. My apologies. Forgive me, y'all. Forgive me. All right. Now I got to get back and find my page. Doo-doo. There we go. All right. So where it says here, I'm just going to delete that and type here. I'm going to just retype it. But you get what I'm saying. Like, you didn't have to come up with the flow of this email. You didn't have to come up with any of the information. You didn't have to come up with the attention grabbing title. You don't have to come up with any of that. That is the beauty of AI. All right. So now when I'm clicking preview, I'm going to click here. Boom. Now it goes to my LiveGood landing page, and boom. Click on that. Now it goes to my LiveGood landing page. Okay. So first it goes to my personal landing page. And then when people click, you know, and this is to make sure we eliminate any robots or any issues or any of that. That is how you do it. So again, I'm going to show you one more time since I messed up. I'm going to show you. Please don't let my computer be freezing on me. So one more time, when you have your email in here, it's already preloaded, right? Because you chose your leads. You double clicked. You put them over here on the right hand side, right? You added them over there, right? These are the people you're about to email to. The send from, it's got my name, Katina Willis here. I just chose one of the pre-written AI titles, right? I clicked on load. It added the subject here, which is going to say 6:30 this weekend, Katina. You could say whatever. You could say 1:30. Let's just say this. Because with LiveGood, you get, for each person, you get like $25. So let's just say $100 this weekend, because that's only, no, let's just say 125. 125 this weekend is only 5 people. How hard could that be? That is easy for anybody to do. So we're going to just change that. Then we're going to come down to the pre-written email. Hey, Katina, want to make an extra 125 this weekend? It's not a huge amount of cash, of course, but it's spendable cash to use however you want. And it only takes 5 minutes to get started. It's the easiest money you'll ever make. Click here to make an extra 125 each week, right? As a beginner. So again, you click where it says here, you click the link, you do Control V, right? And that's it. So preview, click on it, It goes to my landing page. Once people reach my landing page, then they can click and go to the real LiveGood page. Boom, that's it. So let's get right back to the email. Oh my God, I have so many windows open. So click close and we want to send. Now, the beauty about this AI tool, once you send the emails out, you can actually see who opened it, right? You can see who opened it. It'll show you who opened it and everything. So it shows you that under statistics. So if you click statistics, now this is the one I just sent. So nobody's opened it yet, but in the past, or when I sent an email 2 weeks ago, 354 people, I had a 19% open rate, which is pretty damn good. That's pretty damn good, y'all. So there we go. Now, if you've learned anything so far, give me a thumbs up, y'all. And again, any comments or questions you have, leave them in the comment section. I'm Katina the Broker. And again, this video is about how to make money at LiveGood using AI and without bugging your family and friends. I thank you for watching this video all the way until the end. I will see you on the next video. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.